10 has the entire Caribbean covered as we continue to track Matthew. Jamaica is already dealing with heavy rain and flooding, so that's where we have Ben Kennedy. He's in Kingston with how it's looking there at this hour. Ben.
Laura, you can see behind me clear skies here in Kingston, Jamaica. That was not the case throughout the day. In fact, near the coast, I saw waves that were 7 feet high. Yes, people are being evacuated and told it is not safe to live near the water. Hurricane Matthew strikes Kingston, Jamaica as strong waves crash the coast. You can see the waves are picking up here along the coast. In fact, people living in the homes right here behind me are told it is not safe to be here and are being evacuated.
Bad.
Edward Raymond was picked up by police along Shooter's Hill and told to seek higher ground.
We hit hard. See, mash up the place. And God send you come, God send you come.
So right now you're heading to a shelter.
Yeah, God bless.
A water spout was seen among dark clouds that brought rain, turning roads into rivers. These guys were forced to push their car, trudging through the water. It's the sound heard across the island as people prepare for the storm. Downtown is empty. Storefronts are closed and boarded up as the country's military and rescue crews prepare for a Category 4 hurricane, the worst Jamaica's seen in years.
It'll be very, very, very devastating for most people, especially for those who have never witnessed something of this magnitude.
We want people to heed the warnings.
The path has been very erratic and it has slowed down, which means it is going to be dumping a lot of water when it finally hits land.
And we've seen some of that water tonight. Everyone is concerned and worried, not quite sure what Hurricane Matthew might bring to the country as they continue to watch that radar. Calvin, Lori?